Hi guys, my name is Sejan. I'm from Orbital 365, music producer and DJ. In this tutorial today I will show you how you can stream live your music on your own YouTube channel. However, just stay for the next few moments with me. We're gonna go through all this process step by step. I will link all the softwares that you should download. All the installation will be in the comments. Follow up, give us a couple of more minutes and we're gonna do this together. So guys, first thing that we're gonna do is to start recording. Actually, you can see the start streaming and start recording button. So the thing that we want to do is to stream live on your YouTube channel. So before we do that, we have to change some settings that includes audio, video, output, stream, general one. So to connect to our YouTube channel, first we have to manage the stream source, which is service on a YouTube. A part of YouTube, you have direct and live stream on the other platforms like Facebook Live, Twitch, Twitter, or other platforms, media platforms that you can stream directly. So for these purposes and this tutorial, we're gonna choose YouTube, and we will start setting as a YouTube for the YouTube platform. Apart from that, very important is to have a live stream key, which by the way you can find on one of your channels or the channel that you are planning to stream directly. So let's switch account, one of the accounts, and here you can see that on your YouTube channel, when you want to go live and to stream directly, you can use this button where you have option to upload a video or option to go live. For purpose of this tutorial, we're not gonna upload any video right now, so we're gonna go with the live option. For the start, press the start button. That's the first notification that we're gonna get in this window. For this particular window, it's very important to go with the streaming software, because that's actually the third part, and that's the place where we're gonna stream from directly to your YouTube channel. In this particular setting, you can choose to go with the video that is made for the kids or the video that is not made for the kids. This is important because of the restrictions and everything that is coming afterwards. And again, for purposes of this tutorial, we're gonna choose the video that is not made for the kids. Again, depends on what your live channel is streaming. This channel is gonna stream the music, so it's not for the kids, which means later on you will see when you edit your videos above or below 18 years old. In this edit, we can change the title, and let's start and go with the deep house live stream, for example. In description, you can add some hashtags, which you can add later on as well. So if you don't put it in a description, you can edit it later. Let's go with the live, or let's go with the music, which is always a good option if you streaming the music on your channel. And let's just put the description, which, let's say, streaming live music, which is good enough. Your video, for sure you want to be public, so that's the option that you will choose. Categories, again, you can from the scroll and drop down menu, you can choose which category you would like to stream on your YouTube channel. For now this is a music, so we're gonna go with the music. Thumbnail you can prepare in advance, or you can add like this random. Don't add your own photo, just just add any of the other covers that you have. Let's go with the Minecraft for this tutorial, this video. This is just a playlist. If you wanna playlist your video or not, it still depends on your ideas and goals of your channel. As I said, hashtags you can add later on, you can add it now. You can always go back to this screen. Even if you miss something, it's not a big problem, you can always go back. Language, choose any language that you prefer. Let's go with the English. Again, subtitles, titles, let's put everything on the English. Standard YouTube license. And we're coming to the comments. You can choose to allow all the comments, to hold potentially inappropriate comments, increase your strictness or not. For purposes of this video, we're gonna go to allow all the comments. Once you save this settings, and I'm saying again, you can always come back to this screen to edit. We go back to our main source, which is OBS that we're gonna stream from. You have live stream key, which I will show you right now how you're gonna add this key into your OBS streaming platform. It's already shown here, but let me show you how. Go back to the previous screen where is your live gonna go on your YouTube channel. This is exactly your stream key, which you're gonna copy. Go back to OBS and just paste it. Showing this is the code that you're gonna use. You can see with this stream key that is compatible, so it goes all together. Just save this one, press OK. Go back to the setting if you want to choose the audio. For the audio, I have to mention that your mic has to be disabled, and all that because you're gonna stream from two different softwares, separately, video and audio. So when mic is disabled, that's gonna be possible. If mic is not disabled, it's gonna pick up the noise and everything in the surrounding that you have. So better to keep this option disabled for now, that you can directly stream on your YouTube channel from the two different sources together. For the OBS, you're gonna stream the video for VLC player. From the VLC player, you're gonna stream the audio, and they're gonna go together on your YouTube live stream. Let's press OK and go back to the main source. On this sources you can add or you can delete. Depends what you prefer more, to have a cover as an image, or you prefer to have a video that is gonna run through your live stream. All this can be done in this same software. You can choose one of the options from the drop down menu. It's again up to your vision, depends what you would like to do. For example, you can add the image, just browse from your computer the picture, any photo that you would like to have it, if you prepared them in advance or just random. Again, don't pick your own photo or if you like, you can do that as well. For purpose of this video, we're gonna use the Minecraft. That's the first that I had on my computer, so we're gonna use that one for now. This is important because this will be the photo and the cover that your subscribers, your viewers gonna see first. So you need something to gain attraction to your video that you're streaming. However, we're gonna go back to the main. If you don't want to use the image, you can always delete it, or video, or you can record yourself. You can use the display capture as well, like we are using now, to show you what actually you can do. Apart from image, we can as well upload a video. VLC media player is going to be on the side for now. We can use the video for this purpose. So open any random video that you would like to use. I have one that I prepared for this tutorial, and the one that I'm using for the live videos from my YouTube channel. For example, let's use this one. You can easily just copy paste. You can just drag it to the software. Just easily click on it and drag it to the OBS, so you can use that one as your cover for your live video. It's going to look like this, for example. As I said, I prepared this one in advance for the purpose of this video and this tutorial, just to show you. So you can start over, you can stop it, you can pause it. During the live video you don't want to pause it or stop the video, but in case it happens, you can always go back to track. You can always go back to your video, start over, start from the beginning, or as you wish. Along with the video you will connect your music, your playlist, or any music that you would like to share through your live video with the VLC media player. So now when both of the sources are connected, VLC player and OBS, we start our live broadcasting, pressing the button of start. Go directly to the VLC, start your music, and go back to your YouTube channel, to your page where your live stream starts. You can check in your left corner that your streaming is going as per your expectations. So now you connected both sources and you're live on your YouTube channel. How long you're gonna be live, it perfectly depends on you. So have fun, enjoy, subscribe, like, and share this video, that more people can do what they like, and that more people can stream live their own music and find more subscribers and more viewers, people who will enjoy their music. Thank you very much for watching. It was a pleasure. Keep making music, keep streaming it live on YouTube. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.